In this project, we are developing an IoT-based alert system designed for both forest fire detection and home security applications. We are using several key components in our system. Here is the laser light, along with the smoke sensor and the temperature sensor. When smoke is detected, the system sends information to the global network for alerts. For intruder detection, we use a laser sensor. When the laser beam is broken, it triggers the alert system. We are using the Omega-38 Quanta EP01 for Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring that alerts are sent promptly. The system features a 16:2 LCD display that provides real-time updates. If any sensor is activated, such as when smoke levels exceed 290 ppm, an alert is generated. When the smoke level falls below 290 ppm, the system deactivates the alert. This ensures that only significant events trigger responses. This IoT-based intruder and fire detection system offers a reliable solution for both home security and forest fire prevention. Thank you for watching.